So I've been thinking all week about what I wanted to talk about in today's video. Sadly, I've been working all week and I haven't really been able to do anything special for you guys. However, as this YouTube channel is new, I wanted to take the opportunity to kick things off by talking a little bit about what an automotive enthusiast really is. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Nate. This is my brand new YouTube channel. I'm a guy that loves cars and trucks, and I'm just super passionate and enjoy them. Definitely on a budget, but I hope you guys can enjoy them too. So I've got lots of great content planned for you. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. And with that said, let's get into the video. So auto enthusiast or auto enthusiasm, we hear those terms thrown around a lot, but what does it really mean? So I want you guys to picture this. There are 222 million licensed drivers in the United States alone. That means most of you that are watching probably own or at least drive a car regularly. But does simply driving or owning a car make you an automotive enthusiast? No, probably not, but it is a step in automotive enthusiasm. I would even venture a guess to say that some of you who are auto enthusiasts don't own a car. So would it be wrong to say that an automotive enthusiast is someone who simply loves cars? No, not exactly, but I think that that's too general of a way to explain automotive enthusiasm. I believe that you can love cars without truly being an automotive enthusiast. And I mean that because there are different reasons for loving a car. Some of you might love your car because it never breaks down on you or because it takes you everywhere. But an automotive enthusiast is a little bit deeper than that. So what is an automotive enthusiast? I believe an automotive enthusiast is someone who doesn't just simply love autos, but are super passionate about cars and trucks. They're the people that can talk about, that can think about, and that can look at cars just all day long. That to me is an automotive enthusiast. Someone who celebrates automobiles. And obviously there's lots of different types of automotive enthusiasts. Just to name a few, you've got your racing automotive enthusiasts, your drifting automotive enthusiasts, your off-roading enthusiasts, you've got, your rally and show enthusiasts, and then just to me, to kind of coin the term, I think you have your everyday enthusiasts, and those are the people that just take pride in owning and driving a car. They love to drive, and they enjoy making their car as good as it can possibly be. Even though there's lots of different types of automotive enthusiasts, I believe that there's a few things that all automotive enthusiasts share in common, and that is a love for driving and a passion about the automotive industry. Now I use that passion about the automotive industry lightly because it could be a passion about their particular car, maybe a certain make or model of cars, or maybe a certain, generation of vehicle. But these are the people that realize that cars are an art form, and anything to do with cars, a true automotive enthusiast is really going to be interested in it. So car and truck enthusiasts tend to be people that pay attention to every minute detail on their vehicle. We pay attention to everything about them, how they look, how they work, how they run, perform, and even how they sound and smell. For this part of the video, I wanted to help you decide if you are an automotive enthusiast or understanding it a little bit more by coming up with as many as you might be an auto enthusiast if phrases that I could possibly think of. Number 1. You might be an auto enthusiast if you spend your free time car shopping even though you don't have any money or intention to buy. Number 2. You might be an automotive enthusiast if you spend 90% of your day or more thinking about cars. Number 3. You might be an automotive enthusiast if you notice every little new scratch that appears on your vehicle. Number 4. You might be an auto enthusiast if your car is cleaner than your room. 5. You might be an auto enthusiast if you enjoy spending hours detailing your vehicle. Number 6. You might be an auto enthusiast if you notice every slightly new sound or noise your vehicle is making. Number 7. You might be an auto enthusiast if you enjoy spending the day at a car show. Number 8. You might be an auto enthusiast if you never tire of driving, even though you do it every day or are on a long trip. Number 9. You might be an auto enthusiast if you know an abnormal amount about different makes and models of vehicles, even though you've never owned or never will own most of them. Number 10. You might be an automotive enthusiast if you spend more money on your car than on your girlfriend. Number 11. You might be an automotive enthusiast if you believe missing an oil change or regular maintenance is sacrilegious. And there's so much more, guys, that we don't have time to miss in this video. Those were my original list of 10 you might be an automotive enthusiast if, and one bonus one for you. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Again, my name's Nate. This is my brand new automotive channel. I'm trying to center this channel around content for you beginning automotive enthusiasts or for you budget enthusiasts out there. So please subscribe if you haven't already. I consider myself a plain stock automotive enthusiast for General Auto. I'm honestly very passionate about driving and owning a vehicle. My personal vehicle of choice at the moment is a 2004 F-150. More content to come on that. And of course, being a college student, most of my content, like I said, is budget related. However, if you guys do like this video, please smash that thumbs up button. Any questions, comments, hit me up. Let me know what you like to see in the comment section below. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I think that's it for this video, so we'll catch you guys in the next one.
Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong.